Welcome back to 5 Minute Friday. I'm going to share with you a quick hack, a tip, a tutorial, something related to planning, crafting and stuff in 5 minutes. Today's question comes from Joann after my last 5 Minute Friday. That is great to know, but can you now print those boxes with the headers on them, or do you have to do any other steps beforehand? Let's go to Cricut Design Space and I'll show you a few tips. Okay, Joann, so here we are in Cricut Design Space. This is basically where we left off after our last adventure with our project. And I got this week here. Now, if you look on the layers side here, I've got the box layer and I've got this layer. Now, the box layer says print then cut. The text layer says basic cut. If I send this to my Cricut, so I'm just going to do that so you can see what not to do, and I press make, it's going to ask me this, which it doesn't normally for the print and cut, right? I'm going to click matte so you can see why it's asking. So I now have two different things. I have the print and cut that will print and cut the boxes. Then I have this, which is the basic cut that says this week. I don't want it to cut out this week as letters. I don't want that. So let's cancel that and come back to our project. So we've got our two layers. Okay, I've got the text layer and then I've got the box layer. The text layer, I'm going to right click, press flatten. So now notice how that's changed to a print and cut. I'm going to Control Z so you can see the difference. That's a cut. If I flatten it, it's now a print and cut. However, if I go to make, still notice they're on two separate mats. The boxes and then this week. And this week is still going to cut out all the individual bloody letters. We don't want that. So let's cancel, come back to our layers, and all I'm going to do is on the PC, I don't know what it is for a Mac, I apologize. I'm going to click, shift click, so that both layers are selected. Then I'm going to come down here and click flatten. So now when I press make, they are on the same sheet and it will not cut out this week. It will print it, but it won't cut it out. It will just cut out the boxes with this week printed on it. So yes, you were absolutely right, Joann. There is another step. That's what you need to do. You need to flatten your text and then flatten all of your images so that you have them all on one page. And again, just to show you, text, change your text to, let's put errands, change the size, move it into my box, right click, flatten, shift click, and then come down to here, flatten, or you can see it's Alt F. And then everything will now print and cut on one sheet, but it goes straight away, and this week and errands will just get printed on the box and won't actually cut out. So I hope that helps, Joann. Let me know if you have any more questions. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye.